Sorry, Kak Adeline, I couldn't hear your voice clearly. Could you please repeat? Yeah, clear. I can hear you, but there is such a lacking. Maybe you can type it on the chat box instead if you cannot fix it, Kak Adeline. I'm sorry. Anyone beside Kak Adeline is ready? Romeo, Zefmi, I've been feeling. Oh, I know that. I know that. I'm a big fan of her. Kak Mahar or Kak Johanna want to try to guess Kak Adeline's song? Or Kak Dinda also? Kak Dinda, please read the chat box. Yeah, Kak Johanna, correct. It's Love Story from Taylor Swift ya Kak Adeline ya. Love Story, yeah. What a great song it is. Thank you so much Kak Adeline. Thank you so much. So let's jump to is Kak Johanna ready or we'll go to Kak Mahar and Kak Dinda first?
Yes, I can read the lyric.
Okay, let's try Kak Johanna.
Okay. Wait. Losing him was blue, like I never know. Missing him was dark gray, all alone. Forgetting him was like trying to know somebody you never met. But loving him was red. If my pronunciation is not clear, oh yeah, yeah, Kadirin is correct. Correct guessing.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Who guessed it already? Let me see it.
Yeah, Kadirin already correct guessing.
Oh yeah, red. Oh, we are. I think everyone here is a big fan of Taylor, right? Okay, thank you so much, Kak Johanna. Let's continue to Kak Mahar or Kak Dinda. Kak Mahar then. Let's hear from you, Kak Mahar. What's your choice of song?
Okay, I will read it. Um, Wherever you go, that where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. Ah, ya Allah. Is that really easy, guys? So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. Like it's the last night, and if the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. That's
Oh,
so easy, guys.
he just released a new song, yeah.
That's so easy.
Yeah.
Because the clue is, yeah.
Die with a smile. Let's sing together, Kak Mahar. Thank you so much, Kak Mahar. And then the last is Kak Dinda. Let's hear from you. What you what you have for your favorite song? Kak Dinda. Are you ready? Kak Dinda. We can hear you.
Hello, can you hear my voice?
Yeah. Clear. Let's hear from you, Kak Dinda.
Hello. You
Hello.
cannot voice, guys. I couldn't have you sit there and think that you are better as you are older. Sorry. Is it my voice clear, guys?
Yes, clear, but you ready
Okay.
to
Yeah, okay. I will
too
voice
fast,
clear.
Kak. Maybe you could repeat, please.
Yeah. So are you better now that we are older? High school in Jakarta started.
I know this song. I know this. The singer. Yeah, Kak Adeline, right. Wow. High school in Jakarta. Let's
Yeah.
sing together, Kak Dinda.
Uh,
Yo. Yeah, the title. Yeah, correct, Kak Joanna. The title is inside of the sentence. Thank you so much, Kak Dinda. Yay. Okay, let's jump to the next slide, yeah, guys. So let's talk about our favorite singer. Oops, it's lacking. Okay, there it is. Yeah, please don't get let's don't get bothered from the picture, yeah, guys, because yeah, I know. Oh yeah, that's okay, Kak Dinda. Just go ahead, please. Okay, so we'll talk about our favorite singer. As you guys can see, he's my favorite singer. His name is Mike Nicholas Joseph. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think yeah, Nicholas, because he's from Czechia, I think, Republic of Czechia. I have a unique story behind how I discover him. So it was on Sunday, and yeah, I went to Car Free Day on Puputan Renon in Bali. So, and then while I'm running, I listen to the song on Spotify, and there's the song called Delilah. I will type it on the chat box, yeah, guys, so that maybe later you can also hear him, because I think he's really underrated, guys. So yeah, the song is called Delilah, and it's really like charming song to, like, it's really good to listen to while you are running or taking a walk on Sunday morning or car free day. So yeah, that's how I discover him. And also last year, he is my top singer in my sound capsule on my Spotify wrap up. What about you guys? Let's start from Kak Adeline then. You are so a big fan of music, you said last week. I mean last meeting. Let's hear from you, Kak Adeline.
Okay. Is my voice clear now?
Yeah,
Is it lagging?
it's clear, but I think there's something in your microphone, or is it just me, guys? Do you guys can hear Kak Adeline clearly, or is it just me?
Not this. My mic is not clear.
Can you maybe speak closer to your microphone, maybe Kak Adeline?
Oh, already.
Oh, already. Yeah, that's good.
That's
That's
my
good, Kak
part.
Adeline. That's good now.
Oh, okay. Okay. So my favorite singer is Taylor Swift, but I don't have a specific either for my favorite singer, but I really like her since my junior high school. Because on that time, because not uh, for my sports, uh, to make film irama bebas. Then I first I uh, a song called the song is we are never getting back together. And from that time I have loved Taylor Swift so long.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we don't need a specific reason to like Taylor Swift, yeah, guys, because every song that she writes is so relatable with our life, yeah. Isn't it, Kak
Yes,
Adeline?
yes, I really like album almost one of the album, but especially I most like for the Fearless one, Fearless album.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much, Kak Adeline.
Thank you.
Okay, let's jump to Kak Mahar. Let's hear from you.
Uh, before, I really sorry that I cannot fail your expectation, but I don't have really favorite singer. Actually, I just more mood based listener, so I don't really have specific singer, and I just listen the song if it really match my vibe and I like it, but I don't really um like deep in the album or the artist. I just listen and I don't really have the favorite artist, guys. I'm sorry.
That's okay. You don't need to say sorry. That me too. Also, Kak. Sometimes I just listen from everyone's song on that's available on Spotify. We don't need a specific artist to listen to. Sometimes, yeah, it depends on our mood, Kak Mahar. I feel you. Okay, thank you so much, Kak Mahar.
Yeah.
Okay, let's jump to Kak Johanna. It's okay if your favorite singer also Taylor Swift as the same as Kak Adeline ya Kak Johanna, but just tell us why she's your favorite singer.
Yeah, I think I actually love Taylor Swift too because the song and the lyric is easy to listening, and I think I can learn English by uh, her song, and also maybe for another singer, maybe not only the soloist, but I think I love to listen One Direction. If you guys know,
Oh,
uh,
One Direction, me
easy
too.
to listen to.
Yeah, yeah. Who's your favorite on One Direction, Kak?
Sorry kak.
Do you have any member that you really adore? Your favorite one?
Oh, it's actually Liam, but
La-
he birthday years ago.
Oh yeah, I just remember. Oh, I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for that, Kak Johanna. Doesn't mean to.
It's okay, Kak.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Kak Johanna. Maybe we'll continue to Kak Dinda. Are you ready, Kak Dinda?
Yeah. So actually, I don't have specific favorite singer, same as Kak Mahar. So I'm a casual listener, but recently I love to hear songs from Cortez. So it's like a group band from Korea, and I
Sorry,
love
Kak Dinda. What
their
is it?
songs right now.
Cortis? Is it Cortis?
Cortez, yeah, Cortez. It's a
Okay,
Korean
wow.
group band.
Yeah, me too. Kak Adeline, I just know Go.
Dari song Kak Kedemin.
Okay,
Dari song is
continue, Kak
also
Dinda.
very good. Yeah, that's my favorite singer for right now. But I'm also listen another song, so I don't have like a specific favorite singer.
Okay, so maybe is there any reason why do you like Cortis?
The vibe is really cool. It's like a American teenager, so it's really cool. Kak Dila, you need to hear the song maybe.
Yeah, I heard the Go that Kak Adeline mentioned. It's catchy, the song, the rhythmic, really vibing. And also, I have a recommendation for you, Kak Dinda. Do you know 80s maybe? They are just recently, like maybe last week, they just released a song. It's album, I think. It's Golden Hour EP4, if I'm not mistaken. And there's the title track is Adrenaline, and the song is really good to listen to while working out, guys. Really, I recommend you. Kak Adeline, maybe you should try to listen to it while you are running, maybe, Kak Adeline. Yeah, the song, I will type it on the chat box, yeah, so maybe you can listen to it later. Adrenaline by 80s. Kak Dinda, have you heard it, Kak Dinda? Because you said that you are a big fan of K-pop. Have you heard that song?
No, I haven't, but I think after this meeting, I will gonna listen this song.
Yeah, I really recommend it. But there's a rumor. I know that not every one of you is a K-pop fan, but I just want to share it with you, and I want to know what's your thought about it, yeah, guys. Because I just discovered last night that there's a rumor for that 80s. There is a member called Sun, and when he performed during the performance, I don't know how to say it, like there's a movement that he show his armpit, and it's wet, guys. And the K netizen said, if you are a K-pop idol, you should do a proper for yourself, proper treatment, like using a deodorant for yourself before you are go on stage. I mean, how to say it, like, I mean, deodorant is not preventing us from getting sweat, yeah, guys. Yeah, I don't know how to say it. What's your opinion about it, guys? Do you have any thoughts about it? I mean, like, how can Nets just like hoping their idol to be so perfect? I'm just done with K-Nets. Okay, let's jump to this one, yeah, guys. So, what is your favorite music genre? I know that Kak Mahar and Kak Dinda is already said that you guys are casual listener and then that you don't have any specific favorite, but I think there might be like the song that you are playing on loop and what's the genre of that song. So for me it's absolutely pop, yeah guys, because I'm a big fan of Taylor Swift and K-pop. So yeah, it's a pop for me. I also like a bit of rock, but I don't listen to it often. I just like for sometimes that I need an energy booster, then I will listen to rock music, but not on daily basis. What about you guys? Let's hear from Kak Johanna then.
I think I love to listening pop genre too because like what I said, I love to listen Taylor Swift. And then another of pop, maybe uh, kind of EDM, if you know, because uh, the trend of EDM is quite trending um, for years ago, and then the music and the beat is also good to listen for me.
Hmm. I'm not sure if I ever heard EDM song, Kak Johanna. Maybe could you please give us an example of EDM song?
Maybe if you know Take Me from Zep, it's quite trending at the time, maybe around 2016 or yeah, around 2016 if I'm not mistaken.
Maybe could you please type it on the chat box, Kak, so we can check it out later for our
Okay,
playlist.
okay, sure.
Thank you so much, Kak
Yeah.
Johanna. Let's hear from Kak Dinda. Kak Dinda.
I think most of the song that I listen, I think it's pop cut because yeah, I love K-pop and then yeah, I love like Tulus and then Malik. I think it's pop, but I love the music genre that can make my body shake. I kind of like genre of music like that.
Okay, so most of you are listening to like an energetic songs, yeah, guys. Because on my experience from a previous batch, which is on batch 6, where I'm as the participant in my group, they are like to listen to a sad song. They said, I know that everyone liking is so furious. Okay, thank you so much, Kak Dinda. Let's hear from Kak Adeline then.
Okay, it's my voice clear. So
Yeah,
clear.
it's clear, Kak Adeline.
Okay, so for my favorite genre is not as well same as you guys. That my favorite singer is Taylor Swift. But I like other genre too, like R&B or soft rock genre. For R&B, I usually listen to Lisa, if you know her, and for the soft rock, I usually listen to My Chemical Romance. I don't listen to hard rock or rock because I don't really enjoy that thing. But I already like listening to music, it's music for sharing and everyone has the situation for me. Well, even though I'm in a happy or sad mood, I usually listen to upbeat music. That's all.
Oh wow, great, Kak Adeline. Yeah, I think most of people love to listen to pop, ya guys. Then what about Kak Mahar?
Actually, I like jazz.
What is it?
Because
Jazz?
yes,
Oh wow.
because jazz is relaxing for me. I play jazz when I need to sleep or I want to relax. But when I do my homework, I do listen R&B or hip hop. I also listen indie and then pop too.
Wow.
Thank you.
Your liking is so diverse, Kak Mahar. Kak Mahar, I have a question for you. Why you said that you listen to jazz for sleeping? Why don't you listen to classic music instead? Because every time I try to listen to classical music, it just like an ASMR for me to sleep, like a lullaby.
Yes, I know. But I like listen to jazz because the melody is so soft, and then I just feel calming because they also when they sing the song, it's not really too fast or too slow. I just feel like it just sweet on me.
Oh wow, okay, thank you so much Kak Mahar. Let's jump to the next slide ya guys. So here it is. Kak Mahar already stated it that you like to listen to music while you are study ya Kak. But which team are you? Music all day long like 24/7 or when you are in the mood? So for me, it's just I'm a mood listener ya guys. I cannot listen to music all day long because I need to focus when I'm reading, when I'm doing like the tasks, the what I have to do in that day. I cannot listen to music all day long because music distracting my focus. That's why, so yeah, I'm just like to listen to the music while maybe like while I'm doing the core for my like cleaning my room, like that, like for cooking. Yeah, I just listen to song when I need to because I cannot focus if I study while listening to a song. What about you guys? Can you study while listening to a song, or you are just like me? You just listen to song when you are on the mood. Let's hear from Kak Adeline first. Kak Adeline, you are a big fan of
Yes,
music. You said.
yes. So I have a typically the music only as long as I can during go somewhere or doing some works or even doing nothing. I usually listen to the music. Um, Sometimes I need to listen to songs when I want to go to sleep, like same as some of lullaby songs, because it's my me more relaxed and minimize extra noise for me. But the fun fact about me is I really like to hear this that songs, even though I'm in the good mood because I really enjoy the slow music and easy to listen.
Oh, so you like to listen to song if you are prepared for sleep, Kak Adeline?
Yes, I usually listen to the music too. You is
Oh.
sama.
Okay, great. Because I cannot do
Even
it.
doing even doing nothing, I usually listen to the music as well.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for your answer, Kak Adeline. Let's continue to Kak Dinda then. What about you, Kak Dinda?
So I'm team. I'm listen music when I'm in the mood because sometimes I just need like a quiet time. So I think I don't need to listen to music. And also sometimes I combine it with podcast or watch a movie. So I'm not all day long like listening music.
Same as me then ya, Kak. What's podcast that
Yeah.
you usually listen to, Kak? because I like to listen to podcast too.
Recently I listened Raditya Dika.
What is it, Kak?
Raditya Dika.
Raditya Dika. Oh, yeah, yeah. I like him. The way that he leads the conversation is so easy to listen to. Yeah, it's comforting. I
Yeah.
mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kak Dinda. Let's hear from Kak Yohana.
I think I chose the right one because I agree with Kadla because I need to focus if I do my activity in a daily basis, and then maybe I'm not really big fan of music too because I just need music as a company uh, to my activity in daily.
Like a background noises, ya, Kak.
Yeah,
Okay.
something like that.
Yeah, me too, Kak Yohana. I feel you. Thank you so much for your answer, Kak Yohana. Let's hear from Kak Mahar.
I think I don't know what it's called. I listen the music even I'm not in the mood, but I'm not also the music all day. Like I listen to music to push my mood. So when I am studying, I listen to music to push my mood to study. So I can motivate myself and also I don't listen the song like pop. I actually it's really embarrassing, but I actually it's not embarrassing, guys, to say this actually.
That's okay, Kak Mahar. That's okay. We are friends here. We are in this together.
Actually, when I study, I play DJ. So,
Oh wow, I like
yeah,
that song too. I like that kind of song too.
so it's really motivate me, especially Tante Culik Aku Dong. Because I don't know, the song it really have effect on me, and I feel like it push my motivate to learn because that song is the vibe is like ITB, right? So
Yeah.
I push myself with that song. So I always think like I have to be smart like ITB people like that. And then the playlist followed by the other DJ song.
Yeah, me too. Kak Mahar and Kak Adeline, do you guys, and also Kak Dinda, do you guys like that song called Garam dan Madu? Is it correct? I know that song from my friends actually. So there's a story behind it. I went back on December. I was like doing a training, like an English training for a hospitality. So yeah, we prepare a project like a drama for our final task for our end program. And then we are staying up late night like around 11 p.m. to midnight lah ya. I mean, and then we just singing that song, and yeah, that's how I discovered that song. It's really catchy though. I'm not really into hip dude, but I like that song. Do you guys agree with me? Yeah. So yeah, that's how I discovered that song. Whoa, what is it, Bintang Lima? I never heard it before, but I'll try to listen to it ya, Kak Adeline. Thank you for your recommendation. Wajibun, wow, really curious to listen to it. Oh, looking forward. Okay, let's jump to the next slide. Yeah. Okay. So, what about it? Listen to music while study or silent is focus? For me, I already answered it actually, but let's just talk about it again, yeah, guys. So we are not, yeah. So I choose to silent for I'm studying because like what I said earlier, I cannot focus if there's a background noises. I need to for like a really silent. I cannot focus if there's like a slight sound. It's just distracting for me. What about you guys? Let's hear from Kak Mahar first then.
Like I said before, I actually listen to music
DJ.
while studying.
Oh.
Even it like Atila says, it's like bothering sometimes, but I stop listen when I feel enough to motivate myself. So I listen to music while I study just because I want to motivate myself to, and also I want to make myself more energetic and exciting to do my homework so I can finish them. Yeah.
Yeah. I feel you, Kak Mahar. Sometimes we just need a mood booster to do our homework, ya, Kak. I feel you. Got it. Thank you so much, Kak Mahar. Let's hear from Kak Johanna. Because you are a remote worker, ya, Kak Johanna. So I'm curious how you are dealing with your tax daily, Kak.
I think it depends on mood. But most of the time, I think I choose the right one because I need to focus on my work, and then yeah, and then I can finish the work if I can focus without the music.
Okay, so you are team of silent, ya, Kak. Silent means focus.
Yeah, for most of the time, yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Kak Johanna. So we are in the same team, ya. What about Kak Dinda?
So I think I depends from the subject or what I'm doing in that time. Like if I'm doing the mathematics, I think I cannot using music because it will disturb me. But maybe if I need like motivation, same like Kamara, or I feel sleepy, I think I will listen to music that can make jeduk jeduk so I'm not sleepy again.
Jedak-jeduk music is on fire. I'm agree with you, Kak Dinda. Yeah. Thank you so much, Kak Dinda. Let's hear from Kak Adeline. Last, Kak Adeline.
Okay, like I said before, that I am very good. So absolutely, I listen to music when I'm studying because it just makes me more focused and with my work. I just very relax when it's silent when I'm doing something. Same as Kak Yohana, I use something that accompany me when I'm doing stuff. I really enjoy to hear some songs when I'm doing something. And I will listen to the music if while I'm
Yeah. I get it. Sometimes if it's silent, then our head will just make their own podcast, yeah, guys. So sometimes we just need music to disrupt it. Okay, got it, Kak Adeline. Thank you so much. Let's move on to the next slide. So, which team are you? I think most of us will choose Spotify, yeah, but I don't know. I'm not sure. So, yeah, that's why I'm asking here to make sure of it. I'm not a marketing guys. I'm not, but I'm just curious. Is there any of you that use YouTube Music? So yeah, for my answer, I definitely use Spotify. I don't. Yeah, yeah, but there's a funny story also, guys. Like in December, from November to December, for 1 month, there's a student promo. So we just like paying. If I'm not mistaken, it's only 10,000 rupiah. I think for 1 month subscription for a student promo. So yeah, I use it for the time, but now I'm not subscribed anymore because why do I have to pay for just listening to music? Even if I'm not paying, I'm still can listen to music. It's just, yeah, we get distracted by the what is it, what for, by the ads, I mean the advertisement. But that's okay for me, because I'm not willing to pay for just listening to music. What about you guys? That's okay, you guys. If you are willing to pay for a music, then you must be a really big fan of a music. Then I appreciate you. What about you guys? Let's start from Kak Dinda then.
I think Spotify. Maybe because I'm already used to it. Although I need to hear the ads all day long, like Bunga dan Kumbang, but I still stay in Spotify.
Yeah. Okay, so do you do subscription or not, Kak?
Never. I haven't tried to subscribe. Although when I was in my college, I think my email cannot subscribe, so I never joined the subscribe until now.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you, Kak Dinda. Let's hear from Kak Adeline. I think you are a subscription then.
Okay. No, I'm not.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
a subscription. Okay, I am a Spotify thing because I already use it for my during my year high school. So and just they use it Spotify as well. As I'm a study I use it first time when they just enter a list song and some of tracks and follow some of style like a song of the month or Spotify word of the year. So I just listen Spotify instead of like to follow the trend.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's entertaining to use that Spotify Wrap Up, ya, Kak Adeline. Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, YouTube Music doesn't have it. I think I'm not sure, but I think. But so let's continue to Kak Johanna.
I think honestly, I love to listen from Apple Music.
Oh, you
That's
are
because
an iPhone user, ya, Kak?
yeah, because the song, I think the sound of the quality of sound is good enough, rather than Spotify if you ever try it. But from this two option from this slide, I think I still choose Spotify. But from the annoying advertising, I think it's better to listen from YouTube Music because I think the advertising, we can skip it. If the Spotify, we can skip it, and uh, we should listen the advertising until the end, if I'm not mistaken. I ever try listen some song from YouTube Music, and it different from Spotify. If we are talking about the ads, yeah.
So do we need to pay for subscription for Apple Music, Kak? Because I'm never using iPhone, so I'm not really sure how it works.
Yeah, if you don't subscribe yet, you cannot use the feature. I mean, like Spotify, if we don't subscribe yet, if we don't pay the premium, I mean, we can still listen the free feature, but in the app, we cannot uh, use the feature.
Oh, so you pay
So
regularly then for
yeah,
using the Apple
we
Music?
should pay the subscribe.
Oh, how much is it cost, Kak Johanna, if it's okay, if you don't mind to share?
I think for the month is 55,000 if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, okay. Great, great. Awesome. Thank you so much for your insights, Kak Johanna. Let's hear from Kak Mahar then, the last person.
I will choose of course Spotify. I already use YouTube Music, but because uh, I don't really feel comfortable with that. Maybe because I don't feel used to use it because I more use Spotify before. So I use Spotify for my music listener. Even the advertising, they right now it's much more. It's I got 5 advertising for one music. Like I don't know what's wrong with them, but I'm not gonna pay because because no you they cannot do that with me. Sorry.
Kak, why? Yeah, I know it's really annoying, but I feel sad that you got like, what is it? 5 ads in one song? Really? It must be really annoying then. I'm sorry to hear that for you, Kak Mahar. Yeah. I agree with you, Kak Dinda. Me too, me too. Let's jump to the next slide, yeah, guys. Okay, so I think this is will be our last slide because there's only 5 minutes remaining. Oh, it's sad that we didn't discuss about the movie, you guys, because I really want to talk about Single Inferno. Do you guys also watch it, Single Inferno? Or should we talk about it instead? Okay. Yeah, so please share your personal music habits, yeah, guys. Please just keep it like a quick, yeah, guys, because the time is not really long. So my personal music habits is, if I like this one song, I will play it on loop for like 1,000 times. Then the last song that I did this, it's that song that I mentioned earlier, that the song is Adrenaline by 80s. I already played it like 100 times already, 1,000 times, I mean. It's just keeping on loop on my Spotify because I really like it. Until I got bored, then I will continue to the other song. What about you guys? Do you like to do it also, or is it just me? Is it because I'm weird? Okay, let's hear from Kak Mahar then.
Same like you, Sika, because when I like this song, like I really like this song, and I want to like uh, hafal the
Memorize.
song, yeah, memorize. So if we listen to in the Spotify, we cannot repeat the song. So I need to download first in YouTube, and then I play it from morning and then night, and then the next day like that. Like I need to memorize that song even in my heart, not even in my brain. But I really want that song is really into my life because I don't know, yeah, but I don't know, I like that way, see. Thank
Wah.
you.
Okay, thank you so much Kak Mahar. Wah, you are really sweet of you to memorize the lyrics into your heart. I can. I'm going to cry hearing your answer. Okay, let's hear from Kak Dinda then.
I think same as like you guys. I will play it again and again until I feel bored. And I think if I am feel bored, I need to change to another genre and then back to that music again.
So you are listening to the same song on loop ya Kak Dinda, same as me then ya.
Yeah, same
So
as like you.
maybe can you like guessing what day, how long it takes you to get bored for that one song, Kak?
I'm not counted, Jika, but maybe after a week I listening
Oh,
that song, maybe I will feel bored, and then I need to find another song, and then I will back to listen that song again.
oh wow. So you must be a top listener, Kak Dinda. Okay, let's hear from Kak Johanna then.
Actually, it depends on mood. Sometimes I agree with you guys. I can listen one song for like months, and then I think I can be someone who listen all song until uh, the long time for the long time. I mean, I can be depends on the songs day. I mean, like the some trending songs. I can still listen it now.
So depends on the song ya Kak. If it's a really good song, then you are gonna play it on a loop ya Kak.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, right.
Yeah. Got it. Relatable too. Thank you so much, Kak Johanna. Then let's hear from the last person, Kak Adeline. Is it? Can you open your mic, Kak Adeline, because you said you are on your way home.
Okay, I am. Yeah, I can open my look, but I still the background layer not see. I will.
Oh, okay, so I think it's the same for us, yeah, guys, because we really listen to this one song that is really good on a loop until we get bored, until we are sick, until or even I'm right now, even I'm not listening to that song, I still can listen the lyrics on my head. Do you guys? That's okay, Kak Adeline. Please keep please be safe ya Kak on your way home. So yeah, there is a moment where when I already listened to this song for 100 times already, the song will just play automatically in my head. Do you guys will that too? Yeah. Okay. Because the time is up already. Maybe if it's possible for you, can you please turn on your camera because we need to take a documentation. Kak Dinda maybe because Kak Johanna is sick right now, guys. Please let's wish her speed recovery ya guys. I wish you are get better soon Kak Johanna. Okay. So Kak Adeline is on your way home, so that's okay if you cannot turn on your camera. So let's just take the you are joining. Wow, thank you so much Kak Adeline for making the time to open your camera. Okay, before it gets okay, then one. Let's pause ya guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay, second. 1, 2, 3. And then the last one. Let's take 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for making the time joining the meeting tonight. I wish you good health, yeah, especially for Kak Johanna. I hope you get better soon and can celebrate the Lunar New Year next week, ya, Kak. And also for Kak Adeline, I wish you are on a good health also for celebrating your mass on your church. And also Kak Mahar and Kak Dinda too. Please stay healthy and stay safe wherever you are, whenever you are, ya Kak Mahar and Kak Dinda. Okay, thank you so much for making the time, guys. See you on Monday. Love you.
Thank you, Kak.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.